Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, May the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you have, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free, 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room at 9 o'clock every morning. That's Eastern time, of course, and that's when I start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at 9:05. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code, Spring Driver, all in capital letters, and that will be good for a 25% discount off the first month only, or the entire year of either a standard or premium subscription. And one of the nice things is that if you upgrade, if you decide that you take, say, a monthly subscription and you want to go to an annual, if you do it within 30 days, we will honor the 25% promo. Or if you wanted to go from standard to premium, we'll honor the 25% promo as long as you do it within 30 days. The promo will be good until Sunday, this coming Sunday. I think that's May the 16th, Sunday, up until 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So know the time zone you are in, please. All right. Again, not a heavy trading day for me. One nice trade on a percentage basis was TCS, the Container Store Group. Sorry, TCS. So this was an earnings play, and you can see it released earnings. Well, maybe you don't know. The mauve area right here is after hours yesterday. So the company released earnings after hours. Big positive look at it. Got all the way up to 10 briefly. Kind of held its own. Then in the pre-market this morning, we were watching this and saying, yeah, it's still holding its own. I mean, it's given up a little bit from that 10. But still kind of holding its own. But then look what happened once the market opened. Now the market opened, down. This is down in the pre-market. But then once the market opened, it actually went up. But this is a 15-minute candle. This just took a header. So as usual, though, I don't usually trade the first 15 minutes. So I did wait on this one. I think let's take a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. I mean, there was no support until maybe this area here. And maybe a little bit of support around 7 also. But, you're looking at a weekly chart, and so it had a lot of room to run down if it wanted to. So I took the trade. Now, the first time I took it, it didn't work. I actually got this. This is a short I'm talking about. I took the short at 784. So it was right up here, I guess, 784. Yeah, close enough. And it popped up, went up to 790, 791 or something. I think I lost 6 cents. 6 cents, and then I reshorted it. I think all this happened. Actually, yeah, I think all this happened in this candle here. I reshorted it at 780, and then I got rewarded. I actually got out a lot at 740. And then it moved up, and I got out the rest at 770. So no great shakes on the second bit, but I did get out most of it right here because I'm still always, even though I always say like let the first 15 minutes for a stock to settle down, and then afterwards it can be pretty good. I'm still, because it had such a positive reaction. I'm thinking in the back of my mind, are these people, for all the reasons why, people bid this stock up, could they start coming back in here and looking for a bounce? So that's why, on this action here, I thought, you know what? I mean, I'm from 780 to 740 in a really quick period of time. I decided to get out most of it, and then I got out the rest around 770. The other one that I traded, which did not work, was CTST. Kind of worked, but I wanted more. Now, this is one that I traded yesterday. This was an earnings play, but it is a cannabis play also. And I know it's all, you see all the price, all these green lines are price alerts that I put just to alert me to it when the stock got to certain prices. But again, I just have to show you what the weekly chart is and why I was interested, because if you look left, you've got all this area up here that it could possibly start to fill the void or the gap. So I thought, okay, it had a nice day yesterday. Let's look at the daily. So, I mean, it had an okay day yesterday. I mean, the problem, of course, is that this is like a big sell-off. 644 it closed right down here at 609. On a percentage basis, that's a big sell-off. Obviously, a lot better if it closed near the high of the day, and then today could have progressed and maybe start to fill that void that we saw on the weekly chart. Anyway, the bottom line is that I did decide to take the trade. And at 6:30, so where is 6:30? So I must have taken it, yeah, it was right around here I took the trade. And I know it popped up to 637, so I took it on this candle, popped up to 637, struggled several times, another time, and then I said, enough is enough. I can always get back into this if it wants to really take out this 637. And so I ended up taking just a 3-cent loss on it. And now, I almost thought it might, at this point, maybe start to move, but no go. So, that was it for me really on the trading. I mean, there were some other great trades that were alerted in the room by other people. Again, this room is made up of a lot of great traders. It's certainly not just my telling you what to buy or sell all day long. And I'm not that active a trader. I'm trying to do a lot of other things. I help people understand how to use the program, answering emails. I'm following our external tech support discussion. So it's not all about me telling you what to buy and sell all day long, but I've been a little probably a little less active than I have been the last couple of days, but that's okay. I'll take one good trade is all I need. The TCS certainly was good on a percentage basis. And that is about it. I'm just looking to see some of my thumbnail charts to see if there's any action, and they're not really. Okay, I'm going to shut this down and bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, just use this email address, a link for our free trading room. Remember there is a promo code there for 25% off. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern time. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow in the trading room. Bye-bye.